Are you tired of uneven surfaces and splintered wood ruining your projects? Here are the 5 best electric handheld planers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, WEN6530. Let's kick things off with the WEN6530. This electric planer caught my eye with its impressive 6-amp motor, which can deliver up to 34,000 cuts per minute, all for about $42.88. If you want a powerful tool that can handle your planing needs without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 34,000 cuts per minute mean you're getting through your projects quickly and efficiently, which is crucial when you're working on a tight deadline. Plus, the 16 positive stops let you adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inches, so you can customize exactly how much material you're removing. With the ability to make rabbets up to 1 inch in size and a lightweight design that's only 6 pounds, this planer is easy to maneuver even for longer jobs. Over 1,000 units were sold in the past month, showing just how many people trust this model. Now, some people complained about the plastic parts being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while I get that concern, I've used this model and found that as long as you handle it properly, it holds up well. So if you're a casual DIYer or just starting out, that shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, lightweight planer that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you need something super heavy duty. It's more suited for light to medium tasks. Overall, for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the WEN6530's limited cutting capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the WEN6534, which features an 8-amp motor and is priced at $56.44. This one stood out to me because of its spacious 4 3/8 inch cutting capacity, making it perfect for planing larger pieces like 2x4s and 4x4s. If you want a more powerful option with greater versatility, this is a solid contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-amp motor still delivers up to 32,000 cuts per minute, allowing you to finish your projects quicker. The 16 positive stops, just like its sibling, let you customize your cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 inches, making it easy to get the perfect finish. Plus, the 2-way dust port helps keep your workspace clean by directing shavings either left or right, depending on your preference. This model has seen over 400 sales recently, which shows it's popular among users. Now, some users mentioned that the weight at 9.5 pounds is a bit cumbersome for extended use, but honestly, that weight also translates to stability, which is crucial when you're working on larger surfaces. If you can handle a little extra heft, you'll appreciate the performance. This is perfect for you if you're focused on woodworking projects that require precision and power. Skip this one if you need a more portable option for smaller tasks. It's got great features for the price, making it a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly yet efficient tool. Product number 3, the WEN6528. The WEN6528 comes in at just $31.35, making it the most budget-friendly option on this list. With a 3.8-amp motor, it still offers up to 32,000 cuts per minute, catching my eye for its lightweight design at only 4.3 pounds. If you're just starting out and need something simple yet effective, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 32,000 cuts per minute means you won't sacrifice performance for price. The 9 positive stops adjust the cutting depth from 0 to 16 inches, catering to finer finishes. Plus, it includes an onboard storage slot for the blade adjustment wrench, which is super handy, so you won't misplace it while working. With over 300 units sold recently, it's clear that many DIYers appreciate this model. Now, some reviewers did mention that the motor isn't as robust as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're doing basic planing and not tackling heavy-duty projects, this might actually be all you need. It's a great entry-level tool that won't overwhelm you.
This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable, lightweight planer that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you require a more powerful tool for professional use. Overall, it's a fantastic value for those just getting into woodworking. Now, if you're looking for something with more power and efficiency, let's check out the next product on our list. Product number 4, the Vevor Electric Hand Planer. The Vevor Electric Hand Planer is priced at $53 and features a 710-watt motor that runs at an impressive 16,500 RPM. This caught my attention as it's designed for efficiency in woodworking. If you value power and precision, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 710-watt motor means this planer provides consistent power, and the high-speed blades are crafted for unmatched durability and precision, making your planing tasks easier and faster. Plus, it has an adjustable cutting depth control knob that allows you to customize your cuts from 0 to 5/64 inches, catering to different project needs. With over 300 units sold recently, users seem to be impressed with its performance. Now, some users mentioned that the motor can be a bit noisy, but let's be real, if you're working on projects that require high performance, a bit of noise is a small price to pay for efficiency. Just be sure to wear ear protection and you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful tool for precision planning in your woodworking projects. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for you. It's a solid value for what you get in performance. Now, if you want a well-rounded option with some extra features, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Skill 6.5 amp Electric Planer. We have the Skill 6.5 amp Electric Planer priced at $79. This one caught my interest with its dual chip exhaust system that keeps your workspace clear of sawdust, allowing for more precise cuts. If you want a reliable tool that prioritizes cleanliness and safety, this is a fantastic choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual chip exhaust helps maintain visibility while working, meaning you can see exactly what you're doing without distraction. The smooth kickstand prevents the blade from scratching finished surfaces, which is crucial for preserving the quality of your work. It also features a lock-off switch, ensuring no unintended startups, which is a nice safety touch. With over 200 sales recently, it's gaining traction among DIYers and pros alike. Now, a few users noted that it's a bit heavier at 6 pounds compared to some other models, but honestly, that added weight contributes to its stability during use, and I found it easy to work with once I got used to it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize precision and safety in your woodworking tasks. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for portability. It's a solid investment for those serious about their woodworking projects. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic electric handheld planners. The WEN 6530 for budget-conscious users, the WEN 6534 for larger jobs, the WEN 6528 for beginners, the powerful Vevor, and the feature-rich Skill. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the WEN 6534 because of its power and versatility for various woodworking tasks. The one to avoid? I'd say the WEN 6528 if you need something heavy-duty. It simply isn't built for that.